Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 27th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, earlier today, Jerome Powell, the new Federal Reserve Chair, made a few comments and hinted at the fact that we may see 4 rate hikes this year instead of 3. That put some pressure on stocks, and we saw them pull back today. The Dow finished lower by 300 points, while the S&P 500 was down 35. The Nasdaq finished lower by 91 points, while the Russell had a pretty bad day, down almost 23 points. Now, yields, after those comments, the Treasury yields rose sharply today. The 10-year hit a high of 2.915 before settling lower at 2.898. So it could have been worse than it was. Excuse me, here's TLT. You can see we were much lower, but bounced by the end of the session. Now, crude oil today had an off day, dropping back a little over a point, while gold pulled back about 13 points. Now, that was mostly due to the strength in the US dollar after those comments by the Federal Reserve Chair. As you know, when rates go up, the dollar goes with it. And there it is. So now this is a very interesting look on this chart of the US dollar. Remember, what we were looking for here is a move above the Feb 8th, Feb 9th highs. Now we're not there yet, but what we did do was move from one side of the moving average to the other, come back to retest it, and bounce nicely. Also, the last 2 candles here, that is what we call a bullish engulfing pattern, and that's known as a reversal signal. So should we get a trade above today's high here, we almost certainly will breach these highs and confirm a double bottom here and move higher near term. So the dollar showing some strength here. Also today, Amazon is at it again. They make another purchase. This time it's the digital doorbell maker Ring. And that gets Amazon heavily into the home security space. The stock is just on a tear here. I mean, it has been trending beautifully for quite some time. Obviously, it bounced around here the last couple of weeks with that pullback in the markets, but it never did lose momentum. Look at that 20-period moving average. Never did slope lower, even go flat. It's just been a nice, strong move higher. Now, if you look at the weekly and the monthly, beautiful. Across the board, just a great looking chart. And Amazon has just become a powerhouse and should continue to move higher. It's at highs, no resistance up ahead. Any pullback here would be considered a buying opportunity. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.